Welcome to exam sales video on the Microsoft 365 Identity and Services exam. In this video, we will break down the syllabus of the exam to help you better understand what to expect and how to prepare. This exam is designed to assess your skills in managing user identity and roles, Microsoft 365 workloads and applications, authentication and access, and deploying and managing a Microsoft 365 tenant. The Microsoft 365 Identity and Services exam is divided into 4 domains, each carrying a different percentage of the total marks. The Plan and Manage User Identity and Roles domain carries 35%, Manage Microsoft 365 Workloads and Applications carries 25%, Manage Authentication and Access carries 20%, and Deploy and Manage a Microsoft 365 tenant carries 20%. We will explore each of these domains in detail. In the Plan and Manage User Identity and Roles domain, you will learn how to manage user accounts and licenses. This includes creating and managing user identities, managing guest users, configuring product licenses, and managing user profile properties. You will also learn about managing roles and role groups, including assigning and managing administrator roles, configuring administrative units, and managing roles using privileged identity management. Additionally, you will learn about planning and managing identity synchronization, including designing synchronization requirements, configuring synchronization filters, and troubleshooting synchronization errors. The Manage Microsoft 365 Workloads and Applications domain focuses on the strategic planning and deployment of Microsoft 365 apps, messaging infrastructure, and internal teamwork services. In this domain, you will learn about managing Microsoft 365 apps deployment, including planning for app installation and updates, managing update channels, and configuring the Office deployment tool. You will also learn about planning for messaging and teamwork, including planning for Exchange Online migration and coexistence, managing Microsoft Teams settings, and evaluating organizational networking requirements. The Manage Authentication and Access domain is all about implementing secure access through multi-factor authentication, conditional access, and identity protection mechanisms. In this domain, you will learn about managing multi-factor authentication, including designing and implementing MFA strategies, configuring MFA deployment settings, and enforcing MFA using security defaults or conditional access. You will also learn about implementing conditional access, including planning and designing conditional access policies, configuring policy assignments, and managing access controls. The Deploy and Manage a Microsoft 365 tenant domain covers core administrative tasks including domain management, tenant configuration, and health monitoring. In this domain, you will learn about managing domains, including planning and adding custom domains, configuring DNS records, and verifying domain ownership. You will also learn about configuring tenant settings and health, including managing organizational profile and technical contact info, configuring release preferences, and monitoring service health and advisories. In conclusion, the Microsoft 365 Identity and Services exam assesses your skills in managing user identity and roles, Microsoft 365 workloads and applications, authentication and access, and deploying and managing a Microsoft 365 tenant. Understanding the syllabus and domains of the exam is essential for proper preparation. We hope this video has helped you better understand what to expect in the exam. Good luck with your exam preparation.